Picture of the movie.
Already got picture and a movie.
Nice.
Come on.
Fuck you too. Fuck you
Two more. That's where we're going.
Just there?
Yeah.
Can you see gomde?
Come. We go.
Yeah?
Yeah. See this? We do something exciting. We're just walking. It's boring.
Okay.
Give me this. All right. He's gonna kill her. Oh yeah. Tell him about the shortcut, dude. Go.
Take the shortcut.
Go faster.
You would have to get up there.
Yeah, just take straight. Oh, that was easy.
They're dedicated.
Tell me this is not the way.
This is the way.
You take me the long way?
No. Come. We come up. Now you do it. See? Oh, it's steep. Oh. Oh fuck. It's like this. What are you doing?
Just up there.
Left of the tree. You see the big tree?
There?
Yeah, left of the tree.
Let's go.
Why? Why?
Yeah, that's awesome. Let's go to
Are we going up there?
Yeah. You remember this? How do you feel?
I'm hungry.
Look at this tree. This tree stands alone when all the other trees are dead.
Where?
Climb this tree, dude. Do it. Do it.
You actually upload this for YouTube, right?
Yeah.
What? This is not okay.
Take more shortcuts. Take shortcut.
I don't want anything else.
You want food, Hanna?
No.
Oh.
Okay, hello. We are here like super motivated and super happy, and Samir is always just sad and unmotivated.
Okay.
And we're super happy.
Really?
Look at Hannah, how happy she is. And Calvin is always paying attention, of course.
Calvin is just like, oh, I'm going to Tibet.
You mean Cullen?
Colin is going to
Cullen.
Tibet. Colin, how do you feel about going to Tibet?
Are you motivated?
Okay. It's okay. That one hurt too much. It's okay. They won't do that. Do you want some chips?
Whoa, it went out. Why did it went out? I'm not doing the
Hanna.
talk anymore.
Hanna. How do you feel?
Yeah.
Ray, you wanna join the party?
My team.
Colin, you're left. Colin.
This was not the part of my plan. I didn't sign the question.
Can I have everyone's attention? Colin, can you
You have my team.
So this was not the shortcut. We actually had to go down there. Yeah.
Don't kill him. Stop filming me.
We had to go over there. You look so calm and composed. This looks like you're not bothered by this news at all.
Sneak into your room tonight and murder you. I mean, now we're here, right?
I always lock my door at night. So, yeah, that's it.
Karma is gonna fuck you.
Oh, so- How are you feeling?
I'm fine.
It's good, no? Look how nice forest. Are you on Google Maps?
Yeah.
You really? Come on. Are we going back?
Let's go down. I'm not sure about this one.
No.
Feels like it's gonna take like round trip.
Yeah, it's not going anywhere. Okay.
But so nice, no?
What do you wanna do?
I feel like this definitely goes to the road. Look, there's a road there.
Where?
There's definitely a road there.
Then let's just like go across the...
Let's just go up. We just go up. Let's be brave, guys. Bravery.
Yeah.
This one. Follow this.
Yeah, I think that's the path.
Yeah, this is fine. There's cops on the normal way. They'll catch you. I feel like Nepali goat farmer.
I feel like I'm gonna be full of spiders outside.
Yeah, probably.
What are you talking about?
I mean, further up, yeah.
It's just circles. It's just circles here around.
What circles do we were down there? Now we're up here.
And we're gonna take that away.
Let's go this way. I have a good feeling
But
about
that's
this way.
the wrong way, right?
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. There's also no way.
No, this is definitely okay.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go this way.
Hate flying spiders.
As does everyone else.
Fuck you.
Hanna?
Yeah.
How's it going?
Great. Alright.
There's the road. Yeah. I think we're almost there. Probably.
You said it half an hour ago.
No, we could have walked through the forest on the road, or we could have walked through the forest through the forest. And we walked through the forest through the forest. We were now through it. Look, that's the random house. That's the tree up there where we sat under. Yeah, we're here.
Yeah.
We made it.
Nice.
Even though everyone doubted me. Everyone had so much doubt.
Didn't doubt you. We hated you.
Okay. I think doubt is a less strong emotion.
Can we go up there? Because there's like down the road.
Yes.
Yes. Good idea. Are you
Shortcut?
sure?
Yeah, shortcut.
Who's up for a shortcut?
I am up for a shortcut. Let's go. Are these guys? How is everyone feeling?
Great.
More shortcuts. Look, we're on the other side of the. Not worth.
No.
Why not?
I don't know. Too painful.
Too painful. Oh.
Too much suffering.
Too much suffering. I feel like it wasn't even that bad. Like I'm not that tired. Could be worse.
You could go back and forth again.
Yeah, I'd like
I
to.
would like to get tired.
Actually, would be good.
Can I take a seat?
So, how was everyone's experience?
Exhausting, but in a good way.
Yeah.
I'm still gonna kill you.
What?
I'm still gonna kill you.
Carry you?
Kill you.
Kill you. I lock my door, yeah, at night.
No, guys, look at that. You ruined her beautiful trousers.
Oh, yeah, wait. Oh, that's disturbing.
It's the damage.
It's the damage. Yeah, but to get something, you have to lose something. Yeah? Wonderful experience of going through a forest. What else?
I'm really impressed by how positive you see life.
Tie your shoelace.
Oh, yeah. My shoelace. Wait, someone filmed me tying my shoelace. There's no point.
Oh,
There's a smart businessman.
wow.
Marketing.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. The injuries.
Ow, ow, show. Ow, it's even like
So
almost.
much in the socks.
Oh,
Oh.
this is why people wear jeans. I understand now.
Oh,
Dalton,
this is really hurting.
do you have
Yeah.
anything?
No.
There
No.
too.
You're fine.
Actually, yeah, I have so much in the socks. I'm just not moving
Can you
anymore.
show
Yeah,
us?
same.
No.
These are bit.
Here, take.
No, I don't want. I want someone to push you on this hill.
And try more money. Oh. That was good, guys.
Oh, for real.